Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Java web application project which is entitled as College Management System. Before seeing the execution of the project, let me brief about this project. So first let me quickly show you the system architecture. So the system architecture contains the entities of administrator, staff and students. So the administrator has the whole control of the system, so where the administrator can able to activate students or staffs, and they can make announcement to the students, and they can manage the department by they create the department, and they can able to manipulate the details in it. So next one comes the staff part. The staff can able to mark the attendance of the student, they can give announcement to the students, and they can report to the admins what all their activities they have done on it. So then comes the student part. The students can able to view the attendance, and students can view the admin announcement, and students can view the staff announcement. So these are all the operations that can be done which is mentioned in the system architecture. So quickly let me show you the software requirements. So this can be executed in Windows 10 or 11. The coding language we have used is Java. The front-end part contains JSP, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The JDK version that we have used is JDK 21, Apache, and IDE tool is Apache Netbeans IDE 20. And the Tomcat server that we have used is Apache Tomcat 9.0.84. The database that I use MySQL. So now let me quickly show you the PPT. So the college management system, it gives a abstract mentioning about the dynamic process which is developed using Java and other tools that I have mentioned. And here in the existing system, it describes about the manual process or the semi-computerized process that is in approach in many educational institutions. Those details have been mentioned here, and these are the few disadvantages of the existing system. And in the proposed system, we are going to overcome all the disadvantages that is mentioned in the existing system. Those details have been mentioned, and here you can see the advantages of the proposed system and the system architecture, the hardware requirements, software requirements. So now let us see the execution of the project. So before execution, just you need to create a folder called College Management System in D drive. So just go to the D drive, create a folder called College Management System, and inside the College Management System you need to create two different folders, students and staff. So in this folders, the login IDs for the students and staff will be created. So for that purpose, we are creating this two different folders. While execution, I'll show you, it will be clear to you. So I have created these two different folders. So in case if you're not having D drive, so what to do for that? So just in the coding part, so in the source code part, inside the SRC you can find Java. Inside the dbcon you can see file upload db and file upload db servlet. Just opening any of your editors. So in that, if you go to line number 71, you can find this location D drive which we have mentioned. In case if you are having some different drives, E or F, you can just change it, or in case if you don't have any drives, just insert a pen drive, so it will show some drive. Whatever the drive it is showing, you can just change it here. The same you should do it for this file upload db servlet also. In this two coding, just you need to change. In case if it is D drive is available, no need to change this one. So now let us import the project into the Netbeans IDE. So just open the Apache Netbeans IDE 20, just go to the file menu and click open project. Now go to the project location where you can see the source code. Inside that you have the college management system. Just select it and then click open project. Now the project will be loaded into the Netbeans IDE. It takes some time. Kindly wait till the complete project is being loaded into the Netbeans IDE. Meanwhile, let us attach the database in the MySQL part. So just go to the MySQL administrator, enter the username and password as root and click OK. Now in the left side panel you can see the restore option. After clicking restore, you just go to the right side panel, open backup file. Now go to the source code location where you can see the database folder. So in the database folder, you can see inside that there is a database. Just select it and then click start restore. So now you can see the restore operation was finished successfully message, which means that we have successfully attached the database. So just close this. We can close this MySQL administrator. Coming back to the Netbeans IDE, the project is also being loaded. Now let us execute the project. So right click it and then select run. Now kindly wait for a few seconds. So now it asks for the authentication for the Tomcat server. I have given username and password as admin and click OK. So now you can see the home screen, a welcome screen of the project title, college management system, with the different entities that I have mentioned here in the system architect, that is administrator, staff, students. So let me show you all these things one by one. So first let me go to the administrator login. If you click the administrator login, it will be navigated to the admin login page. So admin is a single entity only here, so it has only default username and password as admin, and click submit. So now you can see the login is successful and click OK. So now it will be navigated to the admin's home page. So in the admin's home page we have various options. So here you can see check options, you can see announcements, timetable insert, timetable view, staff report, department manage. You can insert the department, see the details of the department, insert student details, see the student details, insert staff, in details of the staff, insert marks, view the details of the mark, and view the online registration. So now everything is empty because we are running the project first time. So first let me go to the options one by one and show you. First let me go to the timetable insert. So here in the department you can see it is not showing, the drop down it is not showing any department because we are the first time we are running it, so we need to create some department. So first go to the department manage and just select insert. So here you can see the number 1 is automatically viewed. You cannot able to enter anything because the department has unique ID, so that it is numbered like that. So first let me name the department name here. So first let me name department name as computer science, and year of creation you can just enter whatever the details you wanted, you can just enter it. I'll just enter 2020 and click insert. So now you can see that it is inserted successfully. Just if you go to the details, now you can see the department details with the department ID 1, department name, whatever we entered, what is the date of creation. So if you wanted to delete it, just click delete, it will be deleted. So I'll create some other departments also. So now let me create another department called artificial intelligence, year of creation 2024. I'll create another department, mathematics 2000 and click insert. I'll create another department, physics 2000 and insert. So now if we go to the details, you can see all the department that I have created. So if you go to the timetable insert, now you can see all the departments, whatever I have entered, that is automatically updated here. So in the departments details, so if you wanted to delete, for example, I'll show you physics, I want to delete this, just click delete, click here, it will be deleted. So there is only now 3 departments. So if you go to the, now let me go to the check option, let me create a timetable. So just I'll click timetable insert, and here you can see the department. So let me create a timetable for computer science section. Default section is A1 and A2. For every department there is 2 sections, A1 and A2. So let me create for A1. You can select the date, Monday or Friday, whatever is. So first let me enter the what is the first hour, second hour, like that you can enter the details. So now let me enter the details like Python, .NET, Java, C++, whatever the timetable, you can just enter that one, whichever you wanted. MATLAB NS2. I'll just enter this and click insert. So now it is inserted. Now if you go to the timetable view, you can select which department. For example, I have entered for computer science, so let me select computer science and section A1 and click view. You can see the timetable is viewed here. So in case if for artificial intelligence and A1, you can see there is no anything. So if you wanted to add for it, you can just select artificial intelligence section A1. You can select for Monday, and similarly whatever I did, you can do it. I'll do MLTL data science max Python English data engineering. So I'll just enter these details for the artificial intelligence timetable and click insert. So now I'll go to the timetable view. You can just select artificial intelligence section A1 view. You can see the timetable, whatever I have entered has been displayed right now. So in this way you can able to create timetable and view the timetables. So now let us create a students and staffs now. So first let me create a student. So if you go to that student manager and select details, there is no students available. The first student I'm going to create, so just let me create insert. So now you can see ST001 is automatically created. It is a unique ID for the student. Let me name the student as first student. I'll name it XX. I'll give a date of birth for the student, email ID as xx@gmail.com, and department I'll select this department as artificial intelligence for the student, and section as a mobile number I'll give as, and street name, address of the student I'll just give XYZ, state as Pondicherry, country as India. Just select a small size image for the student. So I'll just give some small size image, this image, and then click insert. So now if you go to the details of the student, you can see the student details. Earlier it was empty, now we have entered the first student, so those details have been entered here. If they wanted to edit it, you can just select edit and you can edit whatever you wanted to do in it. For example, if you wanted to change the address or state, whatever, you can just able to do it. And coming back here in the student manage, I'll just now we have created a new student. So now let me log out. So how the student can log in now? So now let me log out. So now the student login, student should have the student ID and the password. So now if you go to that folder that we have created in the D drive, students folder, you can see jp@gmail.com is automatically created. In the staff folder, you can see there is no folder, no files available. Whenever the new staff is created, automatically the file will be created. In the students folder, you can see xx@gmail.com. This is the mail ID that we have given. So whatever the mail ID you are giving, the same name, the file will be created. Just to open that, you can see the student ID. The student ID is given, and the student can able to log in with the password of this. So now you can see the student is logged in successfully. So here the student, first time when you are logging, the student can able to reset the password, because this password is given from the admin side. The student can able to reset the password. Just go to the reset password. It asks for the old password. So the old password, whatever I have given is this one. I am just entering it. I am entering the new password. I am just entering the new password as XX and click change. So now you can see the password change successfully. So now if I go to the student login, if I give this student ID and this password, so you can see, please enter the correct username and password, because the student has changed the password. So now the current password is XX. So I'll just enter the correct password now and click submit. So now you can see it is login successful. So in this way the student can able to reset the password. So after logged in, you in the student home page. So now in the student can able to see their student profile. Just select the student profile, so it will be displaying the student profile. So here you can see the photo, whatever the photo that admin has given, it has been displayed here. And here you can see the student ID, student name, date of birth, email ID, contact number, everything. So they cannot able to edit it anything. And if you go to the student attendance part, the student can able to see the attendance, and they can see the admin announcement, they can see the staff announcement, reset password you already seen. So I'll show you all those details now, next part. So now let me log out. So now I'll go to the administrator part. Now I'll create a staff part. Now I have created student part and logged in. The same way, if you go to the staff details, you can see the staff details is empty, there is no staffs available. So you can create new staffs. Just select add staff, insert staff details. Just you can see staff 001 is the unique ID that is created for this staff. It is automatically created, you cannot able to modify anything there. So just let me enter the staff name as JP here. I'll just give the joining data as 2024, email ID as xx@gmail.com, mobile number, and I'll select a small image file with this person and then click insert. So now if you go to the details of the staff, you can see this staff is created JP, all the details whatever we have entered has been updated here. So similarly you can also edit, the admin can able to edit the information of this staff, or they can able to delete it. So let me log out. So now if you go to the college management system in read drive and in staff folder, you can see xx@gmail.com is created. So now I'll just log in to the staff login and enter the staff ID. I'll just enter the password that is created and then click submit. So now you can see the staff is now logged in. So the staff, in the staff homepage, you can see the staff profile, timetable, attendance, all those things. So first let us reset the password. So same what we did in the student side, the staff can also reset the password. So staff, the staff ID, staff old password, let me enter the new password as JP and click change. So now you can see the password is changed successfully. So now let me log out. Now let me go to the staff login. I'll give the staff ID. I'll give the old password now. You can see it is incorrect password because this staff has changed the password. So now the password is JP. I'll just enter it and click submit. So now you can see it is successful. So now in the staff part, the staff can able to see their profile with the details whatever that is admin has given, and they can able to view the timetable. So whichever the timetable they wanted, they can just view the timetable, and they can mark the attendance of the student. So if you go to the details now and select artificial intelligence and view, you can see there is no any attendance done. So now let me mark attendance for the student. So just go to the attendance and click insert. So let me first, the staff need to select the department. I'll select department as artificial intelligence and click insert. So now the section is selected and then student ID is selected, and then you can select whether it is present or leave. So now let me select present, leave for yesterday date. For example, it is 19/5/2024 and click insert. So now let me select the artificial intelligence, insert. I'll go to the student same ID, I'll present for today's date, that is 25/2024 and insert. So if you go to the details now, and if you go to the artificial intelligence and if you view, you can see two attendances marked. Yesterday, for the yesterday date it is absent and today's date it is present. So now let me I have shown you the attendance part. Now let me go to the announcement part. So announcement, this is the staff side. So I'll just enter the department as artificial intelligence and section for A1. I'll just enter, make an announcement like tomorrow you need to make the seminar for AI. I'll just make this announcement and click insert. So now I'll log out and go to the student part. I'll just enter the student ID and the password and submit. So now here in the announcement, so just go to the staff announcement. You can see the announcement which is made by the staff now, that is artificial intelligence A1. Tomorrow you need to make the seminar of AI. So you can see that is another part, admin announcement, that is empty. The admin has not made any announcement now. So let me mark some admin and submit. So now if you go to the check options and announcement, I will just, admin will be entering the details as tomorrow all need to pay your fees. I'll just make this announcement, that means site. And now if you go to the student login, so if you go to the admin announcement, you can see the announcement made here with the date, time, etc. Announcement is tomorrow all you need to pay your fees. So now we have shown you the admin announcement, staff announcement. So now here you can see the student attendance. So student attendance, what are the student can see the present days and absent days. So let me select present and click view. So you can see the present days. So 2024 is present, and if you select absent days, you can see what are when he is absent. So in this way the attendance can be viewed by the student. So in the student part we have completed everything. We have seen the student profile, student attendance, admin announcement, staff announcement, reset password, logout. So now coming to the staff part. So in the staff part I'll log in with the staff part now. So in the staff part we have seen the profile part, timetable, viewing timetable, viewing, inserting attendance, and marking the attendance, research, student details. So here in the student details, the staff can able to see the student details. So just if you select artificial intelligence and student ID and click view, what are all the student details is being displayed here to this staff. And report, so the staff can daily send their daily status report to the admin. So I'll just select the department as artificial intelligence, section as A1, staff ID is automatically given, date, today's date I'll give, subject handle today is Python. Let me enter Python class, and here one like that. I'll just select this report, submit. So it has been given. So in the staff part also we have completed everything: profile, timetable, attendance, announcement, reset password, student details, report, etc. So coming to the administrator part. So in the administrator in check options we have the staff report. Just select the staff report. You can see the staff report which is entered by this staff 001. So you can see the department name, all those details. If you wanted the staff wanted deleted, just click delete. You can, the admin can able to delete it. So finally we have we have checked all those options: announcement, timetable, insert, view, staff report, department, student manage, staff manage, mark insert we have not showed you. So let me insert the mark. So just select insert mark. So let me select the student as artificial intelligence and select section as A1 and click submit. So now the student ID will be displayed. So just like the student ID. So now let me enter the mark as 100, 90, 95, 80, 100. So now let me click insert. So now the mark is entered successfully. So just go to the mark details part, and you can select the department and section and view. You can see this student with the mark whatever I have entered. You can see the remark. So grade is automatically calculated, remark is automatically calculated. It is very good. The admin has not given any, enter it manually. So based on the mark given, it will be automatically calculating the remark. Very good and great like that. So for example, I'll insert some other student. For example, I'll just insert the student name as ZZ. So I'll just create for computer science section. So I am creating a new student now. So just go to the student details. You can see the student 2 is now created. So now if I'll in the mark part, what I'm going to do, I'll just create computer science A1. So here you can see the student name of this computer science. So it is not displaying the student of the artificial intelligence, it is displaying only the computer science student. So it is T002, and let me enter the marks as very less now, 10, 40, 30, 20, 30, and insert. So now if they go to the marks details part and select the department, so now you can see automatically the grade is failed and remark is poor. So based on the marks given, so it is taking, so whatever the mark given, it is for 100, so it is taking the total for it and percentage is calculated, and based on that grade and remark is been automatically calculated, no, without making any manual calculations here. So now we have seen all the options. So online registration is pending. So online registration is nothing but if any of the student or any of the person is visiting the website and if they go to the online registration, they want to make some inquiry. So I'm just entering the name as Alice Bob, father name Alice Bob, date of birth, city as Chennai, country as India, contact number, course name, any of the course name if I am interested, I am asking for it, and email ID, and click submit. So now the registration is done. So the admin, in the admin part, if I am logging to the admin part, so just go to the online registration part, you can see the details entered by the particular user is being displayed here, so that admin can able to contact them and clear the queries or whatever the administration procedure they can able to do it. So now we have also completed all the options that is available in the admin, like announcement, timetable, insert, view staff report, manage the department, students, staffs, marks, online registration, and let me log out. And this is all about the project college management system, and thank you for watching.